Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, you will get to know that how you can turn on profile views on TikTok application. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. After opening your TikTok application, tap on the profile icon given at bottom right corner of your screen. And now tap on the three dash menu icon given at top right corner of your screen. Go to settings and privacy and then select privacy option. Now here you can see this option of private account. When this option is enabled or turned on, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Not all of your followers will and other people will be able to see your profile videos. Turn off this option and switch your account to public account. When your account will be switched to public account, following points will be applicable or applied. Type public account will help increase your profile view to switch, and now your account has been switched to public account. That's all everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.